channel, everyone. Today we're gonna have to run down to the Chevy dealership. We gotta go pick up some parts that I ordered. I don't know if y'all remember a couple videos back where I was talking about where I ordered some stuff offline from another guy for the Camaro. I said it was gonna be underneath the hood. We're gonna do away with something under there and try to do something that makes it look a little bit better. So let's get down to the Chevy dealership. Let's pick up these parts that I ordered that the guy did not ship with the pieces. So let's go get those and we'll come back and we'll get them installed. Just wondering if anybody else has one of these 5th gens. When it's cold, do y'all get a lot of whine out of the power steering? For some reason, this car, ever since we've owned it, when it gets down to about 35 degrees or so, or low 40s also, it will whine. Don't know what it is. I know it's coming out of the pump, but when it's warm, it don't whine whatsoever. I have asked about it to some other drivers that have Camaros, and they don't have no problem out of it. So I don't know, maybe mine's just a freak of nature. I guess it does it. So here we are pulling up to my local Chevy dealership. So let's go in here, let's get these parts that I ordered picked up, get back to the house, and I'll show you what I got. Yes, sir.
There you go.
Well, it's good they sent them all 3 at the same time, huh?
Yeah.
Alrighty, I appreciate it.
All right, there you go.
Yes, sir. Alright, so I got my parts picked up that I ordered last week. It was like impossible to find these, and I thought the guy, when he was going to send me the parts, I asked him about the hardware too, and he said he would send it. Got the package in the mail. The bolts weren't in there, so I had to come down here and order these. These were $6, and I think it was $6.21 a stud. As you can tell, I went to the junkyard to try to find some. I did find some on some other GM cars, but I've also been in the market looking for another truck. As you can tell, there's another Camaro over there. So let's get out and look at this this 16 here. So what we're going to be doing today is going to be removing that engine cover, and we're going to replace it with these Roto Fab intake valve cover gaskets. These are about $500 if you go to their website and get them. If you give them your paint code or whatnot, they'll custom paint them to whatever color you want. And as you can tell in the video here, that these are a lot darker red than what I'm running on my car. So over the winter time, I will be taking these off. We'll be repainting these. And on the bottom of this, you can tell this is a red jewel tint coat with a black rally stripe deal. And I did buy these used. I saved a ton of money on buying these. Like I said, the price was about $500 if you order them and had them custom painted there at the factory where they made them, that Roto Fab. But you know what I'm saying. But I paid $150 for these things. That is a huge saving on those. And so we gotta take the parts that I ordered. They go in these little inserts right here on the valve cover. So let me go ahead, take that one off, and I'll show you where the studs and stuff go. GM model cars, I've looked online, even called some Chevy dealerships, and they the closest one to me was Evansville, Indiana, and they only had one of these, and there was some more in Alabama, I believe, or Mississippi, but the part number on these are 11609319. And like I said, I went to the junkyard. I picked up these 3 studs, which you can tell they're a lot smaller than what the factory one is. It's got a lot of bigger shank there than what these do. So these wouldn't work. I was afraid that those would fall off the engine, get messed up, ding, scratched. Well, I really don't care if they get scratched, but I didn't want them dented up or any damage done to them. So I'm putting this video out late because of GM. They were on strike and there was no way to get those shipped out to me, and the Chevy dealership didn't know when they could get them. So that's why I'm putting this video out late. A few videos behind there. So let's go ahead. Well, I'll show you on the valve cover here. Now this is for any the LS 1, 2, 3, 4. They they all have the same deal here, but as you can tell right there on the valve cover gasket, or the valve cover there's one there, then there's one right there too on both valve covers. It doesn't matter if it's a LS1, LS2, the LS3, the 6-liter. They're all the same. The valve covers will all interchange on them. There's no difference in them. So let's go ahead, let's open these up and let's get these mounted on the valve cover. Right there. So you only have to order 3, but if you bought those new from Roto Fab, they come with all the hardware to mount them. So that's why I only ordered 3. So let me go ahead and get that one installed, get the other one installed, and we'll get those installed. Obviously I had to use a 10mm wrench to tighten the studs up. So let's go ahead, let's get those mounted up and see what it looks like. So you want to line up your studs with these here, and these will go hook onto your fuel rail on the car there. So just like that, that's how they get mounted. So let's go ahead, let's mount the passenger side. So on this side you have to take off your oil cap, pull your dipstick. We'll just repeat the process as we did on that side over there. Put your dipstick back in, put your oil cap back on, and just like that, they're installed. So what do y'all think about it? Do they look good? Comment below, tell me what y'all think about them. But like I said, over the winter time, I'm gonna repaint these, and what I'm gonna do is it's gonna flow with the car, So what you see is red on here will be black, and what you see black will be red. And that way it'll match the car. Try to carry the theme underneath the car there. So, but that's gonna do it today's video. Like I said, comment below, let me know what y'all think about them. Would y'all put these on your car? And comment, like, subscribe, and we got more videos coming to you. Peace.